Hello! In this video, I am going to show you how to find and update statutes on Fastcase. But first, what is Fastcase? Well, Fastcase is a database of nationwide laws which includes case law, statutes, regulations, court rules, constitutions, and some secondary sources. It is a benefit provided by the Florida Bar to its members, and many other bar associations also provide access to Fastcase as a benefit. If you are a member of the Florida Bar, you can access Fastcase under the Members drop-down menu, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. So to access Fastcase as a member of the Bar Association, you would just go to the Florida Bar website, which is just floridabar.org. Then hover over the Members drop-down and click on Benefits and Discounts. From there, you will find a link to Legal Research. Simply click on that, then click on Fastcase. Then you will be prompted to log in with your Florida Bar username and password. Once you do that, you will be taken directly into Fastcase. If you are accessing Fastcase as a Stetson Law student, you will find a link to it on our A to Z databases page. Simply click on F and then click on Fastcase. If you're on campus, you will be taken directly into Fastcase. If you are off campus, you will be asked to authenticate with your Stetson username and password, which is the same thing that you use for your Stetson email. Also note that as a member of the Florida Bar, you will only have access to the Florida State materials and the Florida Federal materials. If you want to subscribe to the full suite of resources, you will need to subscribe through Fastcase, and the fee is relatively low, especially compared to other legal databases. As a Stetson student, you will have access to the full suite of Fastcase, and it's a good idea to get used to using Fastcase now, since you will have access to it as a member of the Florida Bar or potentially many of the other bar associations across the country. Once you're in Fastcase, you have a few options for finding statutes. The first is if you want to search for your statutes. The first thing you're going to want to do is narrow your jurisdiction and your content type. So simply click on that jurisdiction drop down, choose your jurisdiction. So if I was looking for Florida, I would simply click Florida, and then over on my content side, I would choose statutes, click save and continue. And now when I run my search, I am just searching the Florida statutes rather than everything in Fastcase. Another option is to browse your statutes. And so to browse, simply click the Browse Libraries. And that will take you to a page with the various content on Fastcase, and you'll find statutes under your legislative materials. Simply click on your statute. So I want to browse the United States Code. I would simply click on the United States Code. From there, I can choose which edition of the code I want to browse, and simply use the drop-down menu to browse the titles. And then I can keep whittling until I find my section. So if I was looking for 18 USC 42, I would keep narrowing until I get to my section there. Once I click on my section, it's going to open it up in a panel on the right-hand side so that I can read my statute here, but I can quickly go back to browsing around my statute. Another thing you're going to notice is an A in the upper bar of your statute. If you click on that A, it will open up annotations in the panel on the left-hand side so that I can quickly see any cases that have cited to my statute. I can filter those by jurisdiction. So if I'm looking for cases in a particular jurisdiction that have cited to my cited to my statute, I can quickly do that by using that filter. I can also sort them by the most recent or most cited. And unfortunately, in Fastcase, this is as close as we get to a citator for statutes. There is nothing in here to tell us whether this is the statute has been voided, repealed, if there's any pending legislation or anything like that. You can just get citing cases. So if you want to update your statute, it's still a good idea to either shepherdize it in Lexis or key cite it in Westlaw. And that is it for statutes in Fastcase. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can email us, call us, or stop by and see us.